In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix microphone not working on iPhone. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So there are a couple of ways you can go ahead and fix this, and there are a bunch of other things that actually indicate this problem. So first things first, remove any debris from your microphone opening at the bottom near the camera, and on the front, avoid compressed air and use a soft bristled brush. The second thing you could go ahead and try is removing accessories. So cases or screen protectors might be blocking the microphone. Go ahead and check that. Finally, press and quickly release the volume up and then the volume down button, and hold the side power button until the Apple logo appears in order to go ahead and force restart your mobile device. And if nothing works, simply go ahead and contact your nearest Apple store. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have any other queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.